how to change username in Nintendo Switch Fortnite. Now you want to use a PC or your phone and just Google search for Epic Games. Here, what we want to do is open up the website, the first website that pops up, and then click on sign in. Now we will sign in using our Nintendo Switch account. So right here you can see Nintendo. Click on it. And then this is going to automatically detect your account, or it's going to ask for your email. So just log in with your Nintendo account. Here I have to verify my email address, so just give me a second. Okay, so just input the code and then I'm gonna confirm that that's me. Okay, confirm and accept. Alright, so once you have logged into Epic Games, I'll just show you once this loads. Your profile should be here in the top right. Click on it and then you wanna select account. So from the account settings here, you will see display name. It's gonna look like this. If you change your Epic Games display name, you can't change it again for 2 weeks after you confirm this change. So if you want to change it, you just click on the pencil here next to it and you can type whatever. I confirm, I understand, and then you just confirm it, and that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.